Oh, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today I'll be unboxing, which is a bit late from my end, uh, which is the PS4, PlayStation 4. All right, so let's quickly see what we all get in here. So we have Gran Turismo, Uncharted 4, Horizon. Also, what it says is that you get around 3 months of for exact 3 months of PlayStation Plus membership, which is an awesome deal. All right, so let's get started. Okay. All right. Let's see the moment of truth. What we have. All right, box in a box. All right. As far as I remember, it was not there till PS3, I believe. Guys, if you are just wondering, I have already opened this box just to check when I bought this from the shopkeeper. So let's just have a look what we get with this. That's just for me. Okay, the warranty card. First game is the Horizon Zero Dawn. Pretty good rating though that critics have provided. The game critics, I hope there are such persons. So we have Horizon, the first game. Then we have the famous Uncharted 4. I have to say this is one of the best game that I have played till date. So I'm just looking forward to play this one. And then we have, all right, I actually got this other than this deal. So because this is one of my favorite and I cannot afford to miss this one on my new PlayStation, Grand Theft Auto 5. Guys, if you haven't played it yet, I'm sure any PlayStation lover would have not missed this opportunity to play such a fantastic game from Rockstar. And so I got this one as well. And the last one, or maybe the third option that they have provided, is the Gran Turismo Sports. And believe me, guys, this game has got some insane realistic graphics. I'll try and make a gameplay video as well for this one. And the most amazing thing is that if you have a VR which is compatible with your PS4, this game will give you the complete feel like you are within the cockpit of a racing car. Alright, let's keep the game aside for some time now. And we have the super slim Ps4. The one thing I like about PlayStation over Xbox is that it has got an insane level of quality that they provide. I'm not sure that whether any day Xbox will be able to match such steady consoles. They are bulky. I'm not saying that Xbox is not as good as PlayStation, but yes, it is not. So the another attraction or a creative head might have thought, let's just do some PlayStation buttons for the support. Very nice. So what we get over here is one HDMI and one aux, and other is a LAN if you don't want this to be connected to your Wi-Fi and you need a direct LAN connection. I believe this is for those people who have a consoling system or consoling desk, so they should be able to use this one. And I believe these are for fans, for the air to get in. The power adapter. In the front we have two USB ports. Wow. And then we have the disk area, the power button, and the restart button, eject button, sorry. And so this is it. Let's see what we get other than this in the box now. So On the other side of the box, it contains all the important things to get this system on. First is the PlayStation Plus membership. This is a must buy for every PlayStation person. So this is again the PlayStation, so I'll be using it when I just set up my guide. And this is the basic guide, user guide. I'm sure nobody will read it. And then we have the DS2 controller. So sturdy, man, so sturdy. If you just have, you must have this in your hand to feel how good it is or how sturdy it is. And awesome, man, awesome. Good to be a PS4 holder now. Okay. And then we have an standard HDMI to HDMI. The oh wow, okay, so I believe this is for will be plugged in somewhere over here for your gameplay. And it also contains, I believe, a mic if you are playing some online games also. All right. And after that, the next thing we get is another user safety guide. I don't think that I'll be using it. Indian socket power guide and power cable. And the third one would be a charging cable for your charging cable for your remote. Must have. All right, so I believe this is it. So this is the complete package what you get after buying a super slim 5 GB console. This is the complete package you get, except the GTA 5 which I got on my own. So that's it. Thank you for watching.